All right, guys, today is Sunday, December 8th. Got out on the water a little bit late. Didn't get started till about 2:30. Met up with a friend of mine at the boat ramp, Ralphie, with RP Fishing. If you're not already subscribed to his channel, please subscribe. He is a really good fisherman. Put him at the top. One of the top fishermen for both bass and crappie on the Yak and Chain river system here where we fish. Good guy. Won't meet a nicer guy. But anyway, put in down at the number 8 bridge here on High Rock and followed Ralphie around. We looked at all the spots that we would normally fish or where they should be this time of year, and we couldn't find them. But we happened to see several hundred, if not 1,000 birds across the lake. So we book over there, man, put our electronics down, side scan, down scan, and saw the fish. So we both put the scopes and we both caught fish. Water temperature was around 45, 46 degrees. We were fishing in 25 to 30 foot of water. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. Subscribe, like, comments would be greatly appreciated.
There he is. All right, man. Yeah. All right, nice one. Yes, there is. Not bad. All right. See a school of them. Come on, fall down fast. There he is. All right, guys. That's a nice one right there. Well, these are nice fish, really nice. They're just out here chasing bait. Right here. Using that Todd Huckabee Signature Series Epic 8 by Power Crappie. Great rod. Show you guys again what we're using. We're using this little guppy gobbler, this TOPHAT jig. Can't think of the name of it offhand, but I will put it in the description of the video. It might be called Ghost, I believe. I'm just using a 16th ounce red jig head with a number 2 hook. See one coming, guys. He's coming full speed at this thing. Right there. Hit it. There he is. They're fighting after it. There. There's some big ones, guys. All right, let's see if we can get one of them to bite. There he is. All right. And these are all nice fish, really nice eaters. There he is. Get him in here. Tell y'all, these guppy gobblers, boy, are really doing it. There he is. Took a while, guys. Nice, nice ones. Not bad. Using that Todd Huckabee Signature Series Epic 8 rod by Power Crappie. Come on, there There he is. There he is. All right. Another nice one, guys. Another nice one. There he is. I think I lost it. That's a small one. That's the smallest one we've caught. Little baby. Little baby. All right, guys, let me show you what we got here, what we were fishing today. I didn't get my active captain working, actually my HDMI recorder for some reason would not come on, but I just want to kind of show you what we were doing today. If you'll see, those are all crappie in there. Right here, there, look at all that. This is on the 8622. And right here is the 8616. So that'll kind of tell you what we were doing. We'll move our trolling motor around. We are using our Revolution Sonar system to aim the transducer, and it is in trolling motor mirror. You can see the water temperature is 45, 46 degrees. We're fishing in, 25, 30 foot of water. But really nice. Look out here, I'm just gonna move around here. Look at all that. There's some pretty good sized ones in there.